Good afternoon, students. Today we will see the practical of form validation using JavaScript. Now, all about JavaScript we have already learned in previous videos. In this video series, we will see the validation on different text fields. Okay, so here I am giving you the series of videos for single type of validation. So let us start. See, here I have two web pages. One is admission form and second is submit. You can see in a form I have created almost all kind of text controls. Right now, by clicking the submit button, I can switch to the next page, that is submit.html. Right now, I want to validate the entries in these controls. Suppose I want to validate whether the student has left the text field empty, then it should be restricted, that student should not leave the text, that is name of the student, empty. Right, so before we start validating the form, first of all we need to make our form ready to run the JavaScript. Now what to do? For that, I will open this form in Composer. I'll select the form attributes by double clicking on the form. You can see over here, click on Advanced Edit, select JavaScript event from these tabs. Now for the attribute on submit, I'll type value return and then I'll give any of the function name, whatever the name I can give, that is XYZ ABC. For my reference, I am giving here a name validate. Okay, press OK. Now you can see an on submit attribute is added, which is having a value return validate. Now here return is a statement and validate is a name of function we will be creating. Okay, now next point, what to do? Go to source and select title. At the end of title, I'll write script and close script. Right, now whatever the validations I have to add, that all the validations must be added in between script and close script. Now for your easy reference, I am opening this source file in a notepad. I am saving it, open with notepad. Now here you can see a better vision of your coding. Okay, now from here script, I have to write function. What is the function name? My function name is validate. For simplicity, I am making it a tab space over here. Now what I want to validate in my form, I want to validate name of the student. Means here, suppose I want user to restrict the entry if it is empty. So here in a coding, first of all I have to create a variable x, which will contain a value document.frm. frm is my form name. You can see here a name frm. Now what is the name of my first control? Name of the student, and here I have f name. So I'll write here f name dot value. make sure there must be no spelling mistake, no case mistake. If it is written in a small letter, you have to write here in a small letter only. Okay, now I'll validate if x double equals to blank or x double equals to null, then I'll provide an alert name cannot be empty, suppose. Now if a user finds an error where to be focused, so here I am giving a focus document.frm.fname focus. By this statement the cursor will blink into the first text box field. Now here I am writing return false. So this is my first validation. Let us check. Don't forget to complete the brackets. Okay, now file, save. Let us check, refresh it, click on submit. You can see this page says name cannot be empty. Okay, now by clicking OK button you can see my cursor is blinking over here. So here I am writing Rajesh and then submit. My form is submitted. Okay, so this is the first validation. Okay, for next kind of validation we will switch to next video. Fine, thank you.